Welcome once again to Dentist Online Mathematics. Now in this video, we have 2 raised to the power of x power x plus 2 raised to the power of x power x plus 2 raised to the power of x power x to be equal to 48. We have to find the value of x. Sincerely speaking, mere looking at this question, it's hard to detect what the value of x will be, or it's hard to solve. But one thing is certain, there is always a way to solve this. Now, here is the solution to this problem. And for clarity's sake, I will divide the board. Now, before we start to solve this problem, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and continue to share our videos. Now, we have 2 raised to the power of x power x plus 2 raised to the power of x power x plus 2 raised to the power of x power x equal to 48. So this thing is just somehow massive. Well, it's easy. Now we have 2 raised to the power of x power x, 2 raised to the power of x power x, 2 raised to the power of x power x. That means 2 raised to the power of x power x is common. Why did I say it's common? Because we have it here, we have it here, we have it here, so I can factor it out. So I will factor out 2 raised to the power of x power x into 1 plus 1 plus 1 to be equal to what? 48. 2 raised to the power of x power x will multiply this one, this first one to have this, the second one to have this, third one to have this. So if you multiply all of this, we are still coming back to here. So 2 raised to the power of x power x into 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 3 to be equal to what? 48. Now I can divide both sides by the coefficient of 2 raised to the power of x power x. You know, 2 raised to the power of x power x, the coefficient is what? 3. That means the number that is attached to it. So if I divide both sides by 3, I will also divide here by 3. I divide here by 3 also. So that 3 will cancel out 3. So 2 raised to the power of x power x will be equal to 48 divided by 3 is what? 16. Because 16 times 3 is what? 48. So 48 divided by 3 is 16. Now, let me express 16 in index form. So I'll have 2 raised to the power of x power x to be equal to, what is 16? 16 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 4 in index form. You get it? And also in the base of 2. So since the base are the same, I can do away with the base and work with the exponent. So x raised to the power of x is equal to 4. Let me also express 4 in index form. So x raised to the power of x will be equal to 2 raised to the power of what? 2. What do you observe? X, the base x is 2. The exponent x is also 2. So I can say by comparing both sides, I can see that the base x is equal to 2. That's for the base, and x is also equal to 2 for the exponent or for the power. So x is equal to 2 for base, x is equal to 2 for exponent. So I can conclude and say this will imply that the value of x that will satisfy the equation x will be equal to what? 2. Because the base is 2, x, the base x is also 2 here in the base, and exponent x is also equal to the exponent 2. So therefore, by comparing both sides, x will be equal to 2, and if we plug this value of x into this whole equation, you will see we are still going to have what? 48. Because this is 2. If we put 2 raised to the power of 2, that will be 4. And then 2 raised to the power of 4 is what? 16. So that means here will be 16, here will be 16 also, because the same thing here, the same thing here. So 16 plus 6 will give us 32. Plus another 16 again, we are going to have 48. So you see, it's very simple. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and don't forget to share. See you in my next class. Bye.